Hello everyone, let us solve this one together. 500 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius is mixed with 200 grams of water at 55 degrees Celsius. We are required to find the final temperature. So in order to find the final temperature, let the final temperature TF, that final temperature, be X. Okay? After making that final temperature to be X, now the heat that will be lost by the hot water will be gained by the cold water. So how do we get the heat lost by the cold water? It's given by mass of the hot water times specific heat capacity of the water times temperature change. This heat lost by the hot water will be gained by the cold water, which is given by mass of the cold water times specific heat capacity of water times temperature change. Because the specific heat capacity of water is the same, so it will cancel out, and we remain by the mass of the hot water times temperature change will be equivalent to the mass of the cold water times temperature change. Okay, now let us substitute this one with the information given in the question. Now mass of the hot water was given to be 200 times, because we say that the final temperature will be X, so it will be 500, sorry, not 555 minus X. Okay, this will be equal to the heat absorbed by the cold water, which is given by 500 times 20x minus 20. Okay, now let us solve this one. 255 times 200, that will give us 11,000 minus 200x, that will be equal to 500 times x, that will give us 500x plus 500 times 20, that will give us 10,000. 1, 2, 10,000. That will give us 10,000. Okay, now let us collect the like terms together. 11,000 plus 10,000 will be equal to 500 x plus, remember this was x, plus 200 x. Okay, now we have 11,000 plus 10,000 will give us 21,000, will be equivalent to 700 x. Okay, now let us find the value of x. Now x will be 21,000 divided by 700. That x now will be, which is the x which is equal to the final temperature TF, will be 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. If you don't want to follow all this procedure, there is a shortcut for this, and you can use that formula to arrive at the same answer. So using the formula, you take your final temperature Tf equal to the mass 1 of the water times temperature 1 of the water, okay, plus mass 2 times temperature 1 of that mass 2, okay, over the summation of the mass. If you substitute this one as well in the above equation, we will arrive at the same answer of 30 degrees Celsius. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.